Here in this problem, let's see, solve the following problem. Max is the problem. Max means profit. We have to maximize the profit. Whenever it is a max, there is always should be less than value, but one value is the showing greater than, means it is a mini value also. If it is happen like, means we have to add some surplus variable to convert this equation. Okay, so for that purpose surplus variable will be used like MA. Okay, and sometime if it is if it is a single greater than, then take A1. If it is a multiple greater than, means in two equation, then take A1 and A2 also. Okay, but see, always max, if there is a max any profit problem, there should be always a less than in constraint, subject to constraint, but one is showing greater than, means we have to use surplus variable. Okay, and this method is also known as a bigger method. Let's see the solution. This method is also known as a bigger or else penalty. The other name is a penalty method. Okay, how this one should be calculated? Let's see the step 1. The formulation of LPP is already given. Okay, we have to change the standard form, means slack variables. We have to add the slack variables. Okay, for example, what is the objective function is maximize the profit 3x1 minus x2. Okay, the 3x1 minus x2 plus we have three equation now. So first S1. Okay, here it is given minus, so we are taking S1, then S2, then with that take the zeros. Okay, then S3, then extra what we have to do, it is in minus now, so we have to take in minus opposite directions. Okay, so minus MA1, this is the surplus variable. When it will take, whenever in the maximize problem, if the greater than value, means if it is a maximize problem, all equations should be in less than values, but if it is given in greater than, then it is also known as it is a minimum case. So that why, for that purpose of minimum means greater than, we are taking minus M1. For example, if 1 less than and 2 greater than, what we have to do, we have to take minus M A1 and minus, means if there is 2 minus MA, sorry, MA1 and MA2 if there is 2 greater than. If there is here it is only single greater than, that's why we are taking MA1. If there is a 2, definitely take another MA2. Okay, now subject to constraint add. Here what you have to do, first this A should be add in first value only, not in second equations, add in first equation. But in this problem we should not take, here is the minus A, so we have to take A plus A. So for S1 we are taking minus 1, plus A should be here. A should not be minus in subject to constraint. Okay, and is equal to standard form, means remove the greater than less than, that is known as standard form. Removing of greater than and less than is known as standard form. Here is a second means S2 should be plus. Okay, is equal to 3, and S plus x2 plus s3 should be plus only. Here is the 4. only in subject to constraint first equation the S1 should be minus and A should be plus. The A should be taken here only. A, not MA. MA only taken in objective function but not here. Okay, for example, like S1 0, S2 0, S3 0. A always connected with M. So whenever if we are writing objective function, S1 values is 0 we will write, but A value is M we have to write, not 0. It won't be 0. Okay, it is M. Now what we have to see, initial basic solution for step 3. Initial basic solution means A value. First S1 we should not take here. Okay, here is a value should be we have to take because it is a greater than. A1 is equal to 2, S2 is equal to 3, S3 is equal to 4. Now we have to draw a simplex table. First step 4. Simplex table 1. Simplex table 1. This is a simplex table. Contribution to basic variable, solution to basic variable, objective function. And Zj is a calculation equation, Cj minus Zj, and minimum ratio. Here is a S1, S2, X1, X2, then S1, S2, S3 also plus A also, because A is also there in objective function, and S3 also there. Okay. What is the equation? Means objective function. Minus 3 plus 1, 0, 0, 0 in S, A minus M. So right here minus this is a 3 minus 1, S1 0, S2 0, S3 0, then minus M. Okay. Now basic variable always should be here. In place of S1 we have taken A1. Why? Because it is a greater than. S we have just written for the purpose of calculation. A1, S2 and S3, and their objective function is for A1 minus M, S2, S3 0, 0. So right here contribution to basic variable is 0, 0. Solution means here initial basic feasible solution we have written 2, 3, 4. Take 2, 3, 4. 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and here we have to take the equations x1, x2, s and a, means 2, 1, then in s1 minus 1 then a 1, means here x2 in x1 is a 1 in s1 minus 1, s2, s3 is not there, so take 0, a is there, so take 1. Okay, as the same thing in second row, x1 1, 3 and 1. 1, 3, s1 is not there, so take 0, s2 is there, so take 1, here it is 0 and 0. Here for the third, x2 is a 1, x3 is also there, so 1, x1 is not there, so take 0, s2 is there, s1 is not there, s2 is not there, s3 is there, but a is not there, to take 0, 0. Now cj minus zj, minus 2 minus m into 2, 2m, 0 into 1 0 0 0 0. So here it is a 2. There is a minus 2m. Now the second row, minus m into 1 minus m, 1 now. One term we are multiplying. So this is a 0, 0 into 3 0, 0 into 1 0. Only this value will get. So this is the minus m. Minus into minus plus, plus m. This value 0, so plus m. M into 0 0. These values are 0. Means complete column we have to take. Like m into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 1 0. So all became 0 means 0. Minus m into 1 minus m, 0 0. This one we are multiplying means minus m. We got. Now 3 into minus 2 means how we can take 3 into minus 2m into Cj minus Zj we are doing now. So 3 minus 2m, minus into minus plus. So can we deduct 2m from 3? No, we cannot deduct because 3 is a single, 2 with m. So 3 plus 2m is the answer, this one. So take 3 plus 2m. Okay. Now minus 1 minus m means what we have to do in this equation, both are minus plus minus. Let's see, this is already minus 1, this one. What we have to do, Cj minus we have to do this value, means outside is already minus but inside minus m will come. Okay. Understood. Already is minus value this one, the formula is minus means what we have to do, this minus came. Now Zj means there is a minus m, it came. Plus into minus, minus into minus plus, this minus 1 is same, minus into minus plus m means what how we can write this one, m minus 1. Okay, so write this like this. Now 0 minus m minus m, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, minus m, how you can write here the same thing. Cj, what is Cj? What is Cj? Minus m, and minus the same remain. Zj is minus m, take it in bracket. This is the minus m, minus into minus plus m, minus and plus is equal to, and minus n plus n deduct, so answer is 0, so take 0. Okay, then what we have to see, the most positive value. This is the most positive value, so x will enter in the place of what is the minimum value. But here it is already in case of minimum. Why? Because one value is the minimize. So what we have to do, then now we have to check the max. How we have to check the max? No, first what we have to do, first we have to calculate the mini ratio. How we can calculate the mini ratio? M 2 divided by 2 x, solution to basic variable, what is the answer? 2. Where it is the key column is a 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now 3 divided by 1, What is the xb? Xb is 3. 3 divided by 1 is 3. Now 4 divided by 0. 4 divided by 0 is 0, means infinity. So what is the mini value? Mini value is 1. So this row will exit and x1 will enter in the second table. Okay. So the key element is 2. The means interaction element is 2. So let's create the first. This is the first row. So let's create the first row. Calculation of first row. The first row, first xb is 2. 2. What is the key element? 2. And x element is 2 divided by key element also 2. What is this one? 1. What is the key column? 2. For s1, minus 1. What is the key column? 2. For s2, 0. What is the key column? 2. What is s3? 0. What is the key column in this row? Key elements, for example, key element 2. What is the a is 1 and the key element 2. Every in which row we are getting mini value, so from that we have to take in the key element, and that element should be divided by all other values of the same row, which row is eliminating. Now calculate this one. Answer is 1. 2 ones are 2 ones are 1. This is the 1 by 2. This is minus 1 divided by 2. This is 0 divided by 2, 0, 0 divided by 2, 0. This is 1 divided by 2. But here a is eliminating. In the second row, you know not means you need not to take a. You should not have to take the a in the second table. Only for the purpose of first table we have to take a column, but for the purpose of second table we know we need not to take any a or m. Okay, this is the process of begin only for the purpose of first column, not for means first table, not for any other table. Okay, so this is for xb, this is x1, x2, s1, s2 till s3 only. Okay, now draw a second table, simplex table. This is the second table I have drawn here. What leaves? A leaves, x entered. So in the place of a, write x. S2, S3 is the remain same. X1, here S2, S3 is the remain same. Write the objective function. What is the objective function for S2? Here is the objective function is a 3. This one is a 3, and here it is a minus 1. S1 0, S2 0, S3 also 0. Now here it is a minus 1. Minus 1, sorry, it's 3. X1 is a 3. S2 0, S3 also 0. Now we have already made a first row here. 1 1 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 0 0. Come here. 1, 1, 1, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 0 and 0. But the second and third we have to calculate by the formula. Second row, old value in the same column. What is the old value? 3, and key column is the 1. For xp, old value is the 3 minus key column is a 1 into new value. What is the new value? New value here also we can see xp, new value is a 1. Okay, this is the 3, 1 into 1 minus 1, answer 2. Same x2. What is the old value? This is x1. Old value 1, key column also 1, and the new value we got here in x1 column 1. Means old value 1, key value 1, new value 1. This is a 1, 1 into 1. There is a minus, 1 into 1, 1, answer 0. Now x2. Old value is a 3, key column 1. New value is 1 by 3. Old value is 3, key column 1. New value is 1 by 2. This is a 3, multiply with 1 means 1 divided by 2. 2 3s are, take LCM, 2 3s are 6, minus 1 means 5 divided by 2. Then S1. Old value is 0, key column 1, and in new value minus 1. Old value is 0, key column is 1, into new value is 1 minus 1 divided by 2, this one. Okay, so 0 minus multiply here, minus 1 divided by 2, minus to minus plus 1 divided by 2 is the answer. Next, S2. Old value is 0, key column 1, new value in S2 also 0. Old value 0, key column always 1, but the new value is 0, means 0, this is minus 1 into 0, 0, 0. Answer is 0. For S3, old value is 0, key column 1, and the new value for S3 0. Means old value 0, key column always 1, new value also 0, means 0 minus 1 into 0, 0. Answer is 0. So we have got all this one. So write in the table. For xb 2, for x 0, for x2 5 divided by 2, for s1 plus 1 divided by 2, for s2 0, s3 also 0. Now for third row. Okay, for the third row. Okay, for the purpose of third row, I have written the old values and key column. What is the old value for xb? 4, and for x1 0, for x2 1, for x3, for s1 0, for s2 0, for s3 1. A we are not taking. Okay, it's for only first table. Now for take new values here, into new values, into new values. by means which new value by we have created from key element. What is the new value for xb? 2. For x1 0. For x2 5 divided by 2. For s1 1 divided by 2, and s2 s3 0 0. Now calculate. This is the 4 minus 0 to 2 0, answer 4. This one 0, answer 0. This one 1 minus 0 multiply any value 0, answer 0. Here 0 multiply any value 0, answer 0. Here 0 into 0, answer 0. Here 1 0 into 0, answer 0, means answer here 1. So we got the third row. To write the third row, what we have got here, we have got 4 0 0 0 0 0 0, again s2 0, but s1 s3 we got 1. Now the calculate cj minus zj. Calculate the zj. How we will calculate? cb minus x1. 3 into 1 3, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0. So we got 3 here. So take the 3 only answer here. Okay, now multiply with this. 3 into 1 by 2 means 3 into 1, 3 divided by 2. We have to multiply by top of the value. 3 into 1 divided by 2, 3 by 2. Here 0 into 5 divided by 2, 0, 0 into 0 0. So we got only this value. So 3 divided by 2. Okay, now okay, here 3 into minus 1, minus 3 divided by 2. Here 0 multiply by 0 multiply by 0 means 0. Here only we get minus 3 divided by 2. 3 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0 into 0 0. 3 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0. Now cj minus zj. 3 minus 3 0. Minus 1 minus 3 by 2. So minus 1 minus 3 by 2 means how you will take this one? This problem, okay. How you will take? Like minus 1, this is the minus, and this is a 3 divided by 2. How you will take? You will take the LCM first. Okay, LCM is a 2. 2 ones are 2. This is a minus 2. This is a minus 3. Means total minus 5 divided by 2. So here minus 5 divided by 2. And here 0 minus 3. How means how you will take this one? 0 and formula minus, right minus here, and the value minus minus 3 divided by 2. Minus into minus plus 0 is remove the 0, so plus 3 divided by 2. So 3 divided by 2. 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0. We got one positive value. Means we have to prepare one more simplex table to solve this problem. So this will enter, S1 will enter, and let's see which one will exit. Mini ratio we have to calculate. 1 divided by minus 1 divided by 2. calculate, multiply. 2 divided by -1 means -2. -2 means it's coming into the negative value. So negative means also negative value. Now 2 divided by 0. Sorry, this one. 2 divided by 1 divided by 2. How you will do this one? Multiply, you will get 4. Divided by 1 means 4. Here 4 divided by 0. 4 divided by 0 means answer 0. So it should not be negative. Minimum value means should be positive, not in negative or in 0. So what is the minimum value? 4. So which row will eliminate? This row will eliminate and S1 will entered. Okay. S2 will eliminate. Now the key element is 1 by 2. So this row should be divided by 1 by 2. Means 2 divided by 1 by 2, 0 divided by 1 by 2, 5 divided by 1 by 2. Now divide here. First row for the next table. First row. 2, 0, 5 by 2. Key element is 1 divided by 2. So take the row. X1, X2, S1, S2, S3. For solution to basic variable is 2. Here is 0. 5 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. 0, 0. Now take the key element. Key element is 1 by 2. 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 and 1 divided by 2. So now calculate. 2 2s are 4. 0 divided by any value? 0. Here 2 2 cancel. 5 divided by 1 is 5. Okay. 1 ja cancel. So answer is 1. This one. 0 divided by any value? 0. This is the direct second row we got for the next table. Okay. Let's draw the table. Okay. Here I have drawn already simplex table third. Simplex table third. Okay. So which one is exit? S2 will eliminate and S1 will entered. The remaining X1 and S3 will remain the same. So basic variable X1 and S3 will be the same, but S1 will enter, it remove S2. Okay. And what is the objective function? The objective function was 3 minus 1, 0, 0 and 0. Here this one. Okay. The new row we have already created 4 0 5 1 0 0. Okay. For S1 4 0 5 1 0 and 0. This is what we have got from the direct key element value. So we got the new row. Now we have to calculate the two row. Now first write old values. Okay. Okay. First write a old value, then key column. Look, key column is the same. -1 divided by 2. Okay. For the second row. So I have written all -1 divided by 2 for the key column. And old row old row is the old value is the 1 1 1 by 2 for x2 1 by 2 s2 0 and s3 0 1 1 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 s2 0 s3. This is the old value. This is the key column. Now take the new values into new values. The new values from the here. What is the new value? 4. Here 0. Here 5. Here 1. Here 0. Here 0. Now calculate. This is the one remaining same. Remain same. This is the minus. 4 into 1, 4 divided by 2. 4 by 2 means 2. This is a minus 2. So minus 2. Minus to minus plus 1 plus 2 is equal to, answer is 3. Okay. First is 3. This is the answer. Second, now the one remains same, minus into multiply with 0 means 0. Answer 1. The third one, 1 divided by 2 minus 5 divided by 2, and this is a minus, this is also minus, so keep in bracket 5 divided by 2. This is a 1 by 2 plus into minus, minus into minus plus 5 divided by 2. If there is a 2 both plus in L, okay, in LCM both are the plus, so what we have to do, we have to take the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 12 divided by 10. 12 divided by 4. 12 by 4 means 4 1s are 4, 3s are, answer is 3. Okay. Now for S1. This 1 by 2 is the same. Minus 1 by 2. This minus should be remain. This is a minus 1 by 2 into minus. So take the bracket and don't forget to do minus and plus in the proper manner, otherwise all problem will be lost. So in simplex, these minus value should be, these minus value are very valuable. We should not lose any single minus. That's why I'm writing in bracket to get the proper answer. Okay, should not miss any single minus. Minus into minus plus. This is the minus 1. This is a minus 1 by 2. This is a plus 1 by 2. Okay, you can change the matter by sliding, like 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2. What we will do, we'll take the LCM. LCM is the 2. Okay, did we need to take this one? We should not take this one. Okay, so always remind same, plus and minus cancel, answer is the 0. Okay, don't do like this. If I am doing the same manner, means you also doing the same manners without saying any minus plus. Don't do like this. Okay, means don't ignore any mistakes. Okay, I'm just showing this kind of mistake also you will make sometime in exam, so don't. Okay, now this is the 0, multiply with 0, 0, answer is the 0. This is the 0, multiply with 0, 0, answer is 0. Now we got the row. First we got the 3 here, right, 3. Now 1, so write 1. Now we got 3 for x2. and remaining S1, S2, S3, we got the answer zeros. Now go for the row third. Okay, the third I have taken here all old values. Okay, means 40000001 from the last table. All what is the old value for S3? 40 x for x1 0, x2 0, s1 0, s2 0, s3 1, and the key is a 0. Okay, that's why I have given the key value is a 0 and this is the old value. For the new value we have to take from the table. What we have made? 405. This is 4, this is 0, this is 5. 100. Okay, 100. Okay, 100 means here 4 minus 0 into 4, 0. Answer is 4. This one is a 0. 0 into 5, 0, 0, 0, answer 0. 0 and multiply 0, answer 0. 0. This here is a 1. 1 minus 0, answer 1. The same we got the same value, but one thing, wait a minute. Oh, by mistake we did here one mistake again for the second table, so no need. It is for x2, not a big problem because 0 into 1, 0, so we won't actually, we got the right answer, but because of the 0 it won't affect the much problem. But here in the final calculation it's affect. Why? Because x2 is the 1, so it will affect in the last problem, so that's why I have rechecked the problem. We should not get any problem, that's why. So 4, so we got the same for the third row, 401. So for the third row 401 001 001. Now calculate the ZJ. How you will calculate? First you have to take x1. What is x1? Contribution basic variable 3. For s1 minus 1. For s3, sorry, s1, it is s1 0. Now calculate 3 into 1 3, 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 0. So 3 into 1 only is there, so it's take 3. Now 3 3s are 9, 0 0, so it is became 9. Now 3 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 0 0. 3 into 0 means 0, this one 0 0. 3 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0. Now 3 minus CJ minus JJ, 3 minus 3 0, minus 1 minus 9, it is minus 10. How you will get means minus 1, this is the minus, and for this one 9, this is a plus 9. Minus into plus minus, so minus minus minus, both are minus, so we are adding, that's why minus 10. Okay, now 0 into minus 0 0, 0 into minus 0, 0 into minus 0 0, so we got zeros and negative values, so the simplex is solved. So we should not get for any positive value, so no minimum. So we have solved the problem. 0. People will do ZJ minus CJ. Some tutor will say ZJ minus CJ. At that time zeros are positive. What will you get? Zeros are means positive, all should be positive, not 0 also, all should be positive. Okay, so as a when zj if you are doing zj minus cj, all should be positive, but the proper one is cj minus zj, all should be zeros and negatives. Thank you for watching the simplex method. Go for another videos for more operation research notes for game theory, networks, transportation.